Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're an Acura MDX owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Acura MDX models from 2001 to 2006. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. And that's it for today's guide on the Acura MDX 2001 to 2006 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Acura DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Acura MDX? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.